A URL redirect test sends different groups of visitors to different pages. It's the most popular test type for merchants running paid ads. In this video, you'll set up a redirect test and make sure your ad attribution stays intact. When a visitor lands on your trigger page, ABConvert decides in real time which group they're in. Control visitors stay on that page. Variant visitors are immediately redirected to the destination you set. Both experiences are tracked separately, and you see which page drives more conversions. Redirect tests work best when the two pages are structurally different. A long-form sales page versus a short product page, a promotional landing page versus a standard product page, or localized content for different regions. Complete steps 1 and 2 to name your test, write your hypothesis, and set your groups and audience. If you're not familiar with those setup steps yet, check out our setup walkthrough video first. In step 3, set the trigger URL. That's the page visitors land on before the redirect happens. As you type, ABConvert auto-suggests pages from your store. Then choose a match type. Exactly matches for one specific URL, starts with for a URL pattern, or contains for a keyword within the URL. Use exactly matches when you are targeting one specific page. And you're not limited to one trigger. Add more trigger rules to the same test to cover several landing pages at once. For each variant group, enter the destination URL where those visitors are sent. Control stays on the original page. Variant A goes to your alternative page. Add more variants to test multiple destinations at once. All destinations have to be on your store's domain. Redirecting to an external domain isn't supported. Under redirect behavior, you have two options. Redirect every time they visit the matching page means the redirect always fires on the trigger URL. Redirect only on their first visit means it fires once, and the visitor sees the original page on any later visit. Use first visit only when you don't want returning visitors bounced to the variant page every time they come back. And if you're running paid ads, check Keep URL parameters when redirecting. ABConvert then carries every tracking parameter through the redirect, gclid, fbclid, and all your UTM values, so your attribution in Google Ads and GA4 stays correct. URL redirect tests are fast to set up and especially powerful for landing page and ad optimization. Next up, the template test.